What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, it's gonna be more progress of the bumper. In the middle of the video, I make a change to the design that I had for the bumper originally. Adjusted some things a little bit, so now the bumper is even more aggressive than I planned on. It's kind of got like a Lamborghini finesse to it, a Lamborghini profile, kind of the front bumper, kind of, sort of. I don't know, you can make that judgment. You can agree with me, you can disagree with me, I don't care. I think it looks cool. So this video is gonna go from the original plan to the new plan rather than the pre-runner bumper that originally started with. So stay tuned. It's like putting a puzzle together, trying to find the angles and everything and make them right. We're gonna start cutting out the cardboard and working on the face of the bumper. I'm hoping this is gonna be a little bit easier than the top of the bumper was, because the top, cutting out those little strips, getting the angles on those right, a little difficult. This is kind of the shape that it's going to be. This is how the bumper is going to look with metal. There will be a light bar here. There'll be another piece of metal coming across and then a light bar on the inside. I was thinking maybe possibly I get those smaller LED bars, put them right here, and they'll be like fog lights. If we have enough room in there, we can do that too. Finding this angle for this piece, kind of difficult, but figured it out. Just measured from this point to that point out there, and that's our flat edge on the sheet metal over there that I'm going to use. I'm going to use a factory edge for that, so I know it's completely straight. And then I measured from that point to this point, and then from this point to this point. So off the flat edge, I just triangulate these two lines, and that gave me that angle right there. So I just got a little bit better idea as far as making this bumper look even more aggressive. So my original plan was to have this piece here and then have it meet up with this piece, and that's how it was gonna be. But if we take it and we slant this piece out like this, we keep this piece straight down, we're gonna have this piece here like normal, but instead of being how I originally planned it to be like this, I'm gonna angle this thing out and it's gonna sit like this. So we're gonna have a triangle piece in between these two cardboard pieces. It's hard to explain it, give a good idea of what it's gonna look like just by talking about it, but when I start to put it together, it's gonna look a lot more aggressive than it originally would have. So I'm gonna get started cutting out these pieces and the triangle piece right here. My bigger face pieces cut out, and I think I'm ready to tack them on there. And once we get this tacked here, like say, like this, and we get this tacked here, I'll be able to find my triangle piece that goes in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and tack these on there, and then we'll get our triangle piece measured out, and we can get the angles for that, and then I can cut them out, and that will probably be the rest of the cutting for the day. It's just fire.
Wrong, but I made it right. You came begging day and night. I don't wanna hit the bottom, don't go out of your state of mind. I've been counting 1 to 10. I'll be back when you begin. With my music again and again. I see, yeah, I see you go down. Yeah, I see you go down. I see, yeah, I see you go down. Yeah, I see you go down. And I know you keep asking me. Flames and fire, I know you are done with me. It's just fired. I see you go down, yeah, I see you go down. I see you go down, yeah, I see you just fired.
So that's gonna be it for today's video, guys. Man, it gets cold out here fast. I'm gonna go back inside where it's warm. So I will catch you on the next one, probably a day or two, and hit that like button and subscribe, please. Peace. I see you go down. I see you go down, yeah, I see you just fire.